Horns up guys, and welcome to Headbanger's Kitchen. I'm sorry to interrupt today's regular recipe video with this video, but I just had to share some stuff with you. And I wanted to share this. The Ketogenic Diet Cookbook. So last year in December, I was approached by Cider Mill Press to work on this cookbook of theirs. This is a Keto Cookbook, and if I turn to page 1, you can see my name here. So I have basically contributed to this book. I have basically edited recipes that they had, turned a lot of recipes from low carb to keto, and I also wrote a lot of the all the stuff you see in the start of the book, and also there are 12 of Headbanger's Kitchen's dessert recipes in this book. Whoops! A famous flourless chocolate cake and a berry swirl cheesecake. So I just kind of wanted to let you guys know about this keto cookbook that I have been a part of, and I'm going to leave the links to purchase it in the video description box just below this video. It's available only in the USA as far as I know. So if you live outside the USA, you can still order it, but you got to order it from Amazon USA. The links are below. And I know a lot of you are already saying, Sahil, where is your cookbook? So you know what? Maybe if this sells well, somebody will approach me to write a cookbook. Who knows? But I'm definitely looking forward to working on my own cookbook. I don't know when I'm going to start it, but it's definitely in the works. Till then, hopefully this will suffice. There are a lot of great keto recipes in this book. Some lovely stuff like, mushrooms. Then what else has it got? A lot of good stuff. Meat sauce and classic keto buffalo wings. It's a lovely book. It's a nice hardcover book and lovely pictures. The recipes all written out nicely with tips and tricks and some general stuff about keto. And of course, I would love to dedicate this book to my wife, Dipti, without whom this would have really not happened. I don't know if many of you know, but she is a writer, a journalist, and yeah, she is the one who has sort of pushed me to write better, to make sure I put out quality stuff all the time. So Dipti, you know that this book is dedicated to you. Anyway, enough jibber jabber. I will see you on Wednesday for a brand new recipe video, and I'm going to let you know in advance to go and buy some beef. Buy like a slow roasting cut of beef and get that spice box ready, because it's going to be another Indian recipe. Anyway, I will see you on the next episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. Cheers and keep cooking.